Hola, aloha, and hello. Okay? Boy, I'm just bilingual, aren't I? All right, guys, I'm living good. I'm feeling good. How you guys doing? Okay? If you're watching my videos, thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and maybe find me on the mighty Facebook. And if you need something, guys, just inbox me, okay? Or Cory at corydraper.com, or just comment below the video. I'll answer you back if I can help you, okay? All right, guys, are you in Live Good yet? If you are, cool. It's okay if you're in my downline or not. I'll help you and just do my best to show you what exactly I do to get signups and to earn money and to rock and kick some butt and take some names. Okay, when it comes to Live Good, all right? So, anyway, can I crack open a drink real quick? I'm kind of thirsty, okay? I just got to do it. Because when you talk for 10 minutes, sometimes you got to wet your whistle. All right? And what does wet your whistle mean? I don't know, but I just like to say it. All right, cheers. Okay, let's have a little sip, and I'm going to show you what the heck I do. All right? I like it. Was that Jim Carrey in The Mask? That was a great show, wasn't it? All right, watch this. I'm going to snap my fingers and I'm going to disappear to a little boy. Oh my gosh, I'm right there. A little small little dude right in the middle of your screen. All right, guys. What I do every single day is I get up and I usually pee. And then maybe have a little snack, little breakfast. And whenever I have time, okay, now you can have a full-time job, full-time mom, maybe you're in school, student, or you're retired. But no matter what, whenever I have time in the morning, afternoon, or night, or on the weekend, I always want to just create something to invite people to those links right below. Please watch video.com. How about corydraper.com? I even have joincorydraper.com. Okay, these are all just links that I buy at GoDaddy for it's about $11. By the time you do the fees and everything else, it's about $11 for, let's say, corydraper.com. Okay, and what I do is I just put links to opportunities, and every single opportunity I do benefits Live Good, because I think you need a funnel system. You need clicks, you need traffic, you need just people like you to scroll on your phone or maybe get an email inviting you to watch a short little video, okay? So what I've done is I've just put these business cards that they're just templates from vistaprint.com. I don't have time to go to a printer and design stuff. I would rather just go to Vistaprint. And my God, they got 75 billion card designs. I just picked the red one with the little sports car. And I like the white font, how corydraper.com and pleasewatchvideo.com, they just jump off the old card. Even if it's sitting down on a desk, you can see that domain. All right, wouldn't you agree? Okay. And then when I simply invite people to those domains, always a little video that does all the recruiting, the explaining, the comp plan. It fills in everything that you might not want to do yourself on the phone or in person or in a video. I know for a fact 95%, if I line up 100 people right now and they sign up and Live Good, I know that about 95% don't want to do video. Okay? I wish they would. I wish you would, because I think it's very effective. But you know what? Don't worry about it. You can totally kick buns in Live Good and my other opportunities with zero video creating, because they're already made. There's so many that are just neutral. And what I mean by that is if people watch a video, they can make a decision. Hey, I want the products of Live Good, or I want to be an affiliate, or just bookmark the link and they can watch the little video again and again and again and maybe join as a member or an affiliate. Now, if you look at my screen, you can see, what is today? Monday, December 9th. All right. I guess we made it to old Monday. All right. First, going into the second week of December, and it's 2024. So if you're watching this video, in the future, this is my performance. Okay. I've signed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I've got about 7 signups in the mighty Live Good by using a funnel system. And if you want to see what it is, just go to pleasewatchvideo.com. That's all you got to do, guys. Okay. And another thing I do, and let me just scroll on my screen here. Okay, there we go. All right, do you see? Oh, wait, let me get my face out of the middle. There we go. Okay, now when you go to CoryDraper.com, this is what I built for free. Do you see at the very bottom it says Linktree? Just go to Linktree. You can get a page for free. And just put in links like this. See right there? That's my Facebook link. There's my YouTube channel. You can put Cory J. Picklehead right there. You can put a pickle picture or maybe your face. Fearless leader of making mega moolah. All right, I thought that was fun. And then these little links. See that? Welcome to Live Good. Well, guess what? When you click it, where does it go? Live Good capture page. All right, and what's a capture page? Well, you get this built in for free. So if you join Live Good for $49.95, you get a capture page with this handsome guy and this couple here running on the beach. All right, now here's a it's 6 minutes. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It is produced by Live Good. It is hosted by CEO Ben Glinsky, and he talks about the membership side, the affiliate side, the products. All right, I've signed up almost 400 people just by inviting people to this link. Either joincory.com or they go to CoryDraper.com and head right into here. Guys, if you want to put your name and email address in this box and hit reserve my position, I'm going to send you an email. And you can get more information about Live Good, or just inside that email, click a little link, join, and come aboard. Guys, it's only $10 a month, $40 one time to be an affiliate, and that is it. This is the best opportunity in 2023. We easily kicked everyone's butt in 2024. Now, in a couple weeks, we're going to be skipping like this into 2025. So don't you want to skip or maybe break dance or do the electric boogaloo? You guys should come aboard. Don't be sitting there going, gee, I don't have any income. I don't have any ideas. I don't know what I'm going to do online. It's saturated. Man, only 5 people make money online. Okay, that is just not true. I'm a chatty little dude. I talk to thousands of people, especially over a 1-year period. Okay, I'm a guy that prefers to text, to talk, to email. All right, to inbox me. If you need to call me, I get a lot of feedback, not only in Live Good, but my other opportunities. My funnel system. I want to know what works. I want you to go to pleasewatchvideo.com and check that out. If you got $49, awesome. If you join Live Good for $49.95, guys, I want you to get 2 people to sign up like this because you get $25 the following Thursday. Let's get your money back. I want you flush. Okay? I want you to get any money back, whatever it costs to join. Then you can sit back and get real good at emailing or just social mediaing out the buns. Okay? Or maybe you get a business card like I showed you. And I don't want you to go knocking on doors and driving friends and family crazy, but I don't want you having to talk and spiel. Okay, do you know what spieling is? It's what I'm doing right now. Guys, do you want to make money? Do you want to get healthy and wealthy? Blah, blah, blah. You don't want to do that. That is 70s, 80s, 90s, even 2010s, even, I don't know, a handful of years ago. Right now, people like to sit in their car behind their steering wheel. And they just like to watch videos on their cell phone in traffic when they're not supposed to. You're laying in bed. What are you doing? You're looking at your darn phone. You're on the couch. All right, you have a laptop. You have a home computer. You want to just watch video. You don't want some gonad like me going, join, join, join. You want to just decide, do I even want the products to Live Good? Do I want to join as a member? Do I want to be an affiliate and a member, make money, get free products from that income, and then get real good at just inviting people to watch links, okay? I'm really good at it, you guys. Please trust me. I'm not going anywhere. Live Good is badass. I love it. And proof is I've got 3,800 videos that I've produced myself. They're about 10 minutes like this video. 3,800 videos. To prove it, go to my YouTube channel and hit the playlist. You can see I got about 3,500 that are just called Live Good and another few hundred that complement. Okay? I like to put time and energy into Live Good because it's worth it. Okay? I just trim a little Santa beard. Guys, I'm born in the 60s. I don't have time to go to college and city college. I can't practice and then rehearse and then in a year skip to Malou down to the bank to start making money. I need it now. This body needs some money now. Daddy needs to be paid now, biatch. that I'm not going to be waiting 3 months, 6 months. I'm not going to make my upline all the money. I'm not going to make the owners of Live Good and everybody all the money while I'm a worker bee, especially when I'm busting my ass making 3,800 videos. There's only a few people in Live Good that I respect that love to enjoy making videos like myself. We can't get this time back. We invest time into video, hoping that people will watch these videos in the future, a week, 6 months, a year. I appreciate it, especially when you bookmark or subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I really appreciate when you join, especially in my group. I'll do everything I can to help you with business cards. I send you an email of everything I do. I don't sell information, guys. I do have some courses I recommend. And if you have a budget, I highly recommend you watch the courses I did. Guys, I only have a year and a half of experience doing this type of business. I've been in the nightclub business. I've been in the radio business forever. I've been in the trucking business. I've been in the breakdancing business. You can tell by my badass moves. But I am not a guru. I don't have a list and all this. It's not garbage, but I'm not going to tell you I got 5 to 10 to 30 years of experience doing this. I don't. I've been doing this a year and a half. People join people. Okay? I want you to join me. Then we're going to talk about Live Good. We're going to talk about feeling good too. Okay? Get some good products in your guts. And I want you to just realize that even if you're shy and don't want to do video, we can get you emailing. I'm damn good at emailing. Okay? And I want to show you how to make money besides just the amounts that you can get as an affiliate. And then have a nice slow burn of building your downline or your group or your tribe, okay? But you got to start now. I'm producing this the second week going into December. It is wintertime. People, it's chilly outside, all right? Chestnuts are roasting by an open fire, all right? If I don't have any undies on right now standing in front of a fire, I am. I'm roasting those damn things. It's cold outside. People aren't biking and hiking and fishing like they do in the summer, okay? People are eating out of control for the holidays. Is that you? That's me. It's totally me. But by January, they need healthy products. Live Good, there's the answer. You want to make some extra money? Boom. Live Good's the answer. Be an affiliate. You got $49.95, or maybe you got a $50 bill. Guess what? If you join, you get 5 cents back. What other company gives you 5 cents back if you join for 50? Oh, man. That's right. Us little sexy bitches and Live Good, okay? All right. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me. You guys can find me. My information's below the video. I'm not shy. But let's get you going now. We're going to build some kick-ass momentum and downlines, especially December. Let's cruise all the way up until about April. Okay? Let's do it. Okay. Thanks, guys. And I appreciate your time. All right. 13 minutes and 10 seconds goes by just like this. Take care. We'll see you soon. Go to joincory.com or corydraper.com. All right, there you go, guys. Okay, bye.